Hey, it's Craft Wednesday. We get to actually craft actual crafts other than my house. But speaking of, I had a lot of wood left over and my sister asked if I wanted to be part of a craft fair for Mother's Day. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna wood burn. And I've had this little wood burning pen, just your typical standard one you get from Michael's, for like 5 years, and I've never used it. The video you get to watch, I already filmed it. I just have to edit it and stuff. I kind of butched it a little. Not terribly bad. It's okay. It's still sellable. It's still nice. It's still cute. But you'll get to watch that. And here's one that I already made. So I decided, since I had all these wood pieces left from building the house or rebuilding some stuff in it, decide to make them little candle holders. So these ones, there's some that you can stick the stick kind of candles in, and some that you can put those little insert with the tin cans in it, and you can stick those in there. But that's the first one. I just did that design all the way around, and then I put my JLL Art Studio on there. That's my Etsy shop name. I actually took that down for a little bit. So whatever I don't sell at this craft fair, it will be available on Etsy, and I'll make sure to let you know when I put that back on. But yeah, so stay tuned. We get to actually craft. Oh, and we get to paint. We'll do more paintings to sell. I got up all these shells. I don't know what to do with. Some of them, I just kind of went through all the shells and got rid of all the broken ones. And I really don't know what to do with them. So I'm just gonna sell random baggies of shells. Plus, the ones I did save had holes in it already, and so I decided to make those into shell necklaces. So we'll get to craft some shell necklaces. There's those kinds and these little twisty kind of shells. That'll be fun. But I'm excited that I get to finally get back to actual craft stuff. Yeah. Hope you enjoy. Have a great day. So part of my problem was some pieces of the wood would be really hard to even make any kind of indentation in, so I had to go over it a few times. But then parts of it would be super soft and it would make the indentation really well, and that kind of messed me up. But other than that, it really wasn't so bad. This is a chartreuse board I decided to make as well because I have a bunch of planks left over. And the last part that I'll have to do once I get done with all these designs is go back and stain them all. So that'll be fun.